Hey folks, Sean here, and in this episode, I want to talk to you about how to make your micro SaaS business even more valuable. Now, more than likely, you know that SaaS businesses often experience significantly higher multiples in terms of their valuation because of how profitable they are. Right? There's no inventory to manage, there's not a ton of overhead. That's very attractive to someone who may ultimately want to buy your business at some point, which is why SaaS businesses trade at such high multiples. Now, you may not be thinking that you're going to sell yours. You might simply just want to maintain the cash flow. That's perfectly okay as well too. But what I want to talk about today is how to potentially significantly increase the value of your B2B SaaS business by making slight variations in how you can make what it is your product does more customized and better over time for your user. Now, I've been talking about some of the products I've been building, which have been leveraging the popular AI tools that have come to market in recent months. Things like OpenAI's ChatGPT, for example. Now, there's plenty going on in the news, and I'll address some of that in some of these more recent episodes, but in terms of the effectiveness of the AI tools and APIs that are out there today, that's always going to be something that's open to essentially anyone who wants to grab a quick license or a relatively cost-effective license to one of these tools. And they're very powerful, especially if you use them in specific limited applications, which is one of the strategies I'm recommending all the time in terms of keeping your SaaS micro, as in keep it very focused on staying simple, solving a very specific problem for a very specific persona. Now, going even further beyond that, if you're leveraging some of these AI components in the value proposition of what it is that your product does, to make it even more valuable would be to start building something proprietary that can leverage things like machine learning and data science concepts to become more accurate over time, which is going to be further customized around the needs of your user. You're going to be able to learn from how they're using your product at the moment in order to produce even better results. This is the next phase, or at least what that's going to look like for some of the products that I'm building at the moment and trying to scale that are leveraging these AI components. So I'd highly recommend it. You start taking a look at it. I'm going to start building it into my products, and I'm going to keep you posted along the way as usual.